Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can overlay a video on a video in Adobe Premiere 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and soon 20. So it's really easy. So we have two video clips in your timeline. What you want to do is to click on a first one or on a second, it's completely up to you, but you need to click on a V2, double click on your video, and you can zoom in or out like this. And voila, here you go. This is the first option. And right now when I'm going to play it, mute audio, you can see it on both of the videos are playing. But there is also another way how you can actually do that. Are you ready for it? Let's zoom in a little bit. What you can do is click here on Effects Controls. Click on your video you want to edit. Go to Opacity. No, I wanted to go to Motion, not Opacity. And you can scale it as much as you want, and you can change positions like this, and then you want to change position like this. So this is how you overlay a video in Adobe Premiere 15 and any other. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and goodbye.